Hello, my lovely people. Welcome to Siri. Today, I'm very excited to share these amazing rainy day photos ideas for girls. I love rainy days so much. Rainy days feel so happy when it's rain. Most of the people love to take pictures in the rain. Here are some photos ideas for you. See this first photo of is standing in the rain with umbrella. See this beautiful girl. She's just standing in the rain and posing with beautiful style. There are so many different photo poses are there with umbrella. See these different stylish photo poses with umbrella in the rain. Try these different photo poses. I think it will help you to get beautiful pictures. Next one is take a picture in a rain at gardens or greenery areas with these beautiful poses with a sari outfit. Sari is the most suitable outfit for rain photo shoot. Try this photo poses, it's beautiful and awesome. Next one is try to capture photo poses like this. Put your hands in a rain and try to capture raindrops like this. See these photo poses and make your photos awesome and beautiful. Look at this beautiful photo. She taking pictures near water muds and try to capture reflection of her image. Try this photo pose ideas. It's beautiful and amazing. Next idea is sitting near to window or balcony take a pictures like this. See these different photo poses. I think you will get idea to make a pictures like this. Next idea is enjoying the rain and take a random click like this. See this photo, this beautiful girl enjoying rain and the way of her posing is beautiful. When it's raining, try to make random clicks like this. It's stylish and beautiful. I hope you all like this rainy day photo pose ideas for girls. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel Siri. For more notifications and updates, click on the bell icon. Love you all. Stay tuned for next video.